offer private personal training. We do virtual training, so we work with clients all over the country. We also have nutrition consulting that we do, and some of those programs that our clients have are for balance, flexibility, strength training, and really whatever their goal is, as long as they have a fitness goal, we can help them with that.
I've been to a few gyms before Aspire. All of them were good, but Aspire just gives you that level of attention and detail that really helps you achieve your goals. They'll figure out what your goals are directly, and they'll actually write a plan and show you that plan and make it happen, make those goals a reality. Once you get here, they handle everything else for you. As long as you do the workout, you're going to see results.
I started to feel as though I needed to better the quality of my life as I age. I came to Aspire Fitness and I haven't ever looked back. It's probably the best thing I've ever done in my life. You could come for a while, take the tips, and try to better yourself at home, but what you'll find is that it's not the same. Having them train you and coach you and push yourself is the greatest gift that you could ever have.
We're not a commercial gym. You're not waiting for equipment, you're not dealing with loud crowds, you don't have to deal with 1,000 eyes watching you at all time. It's one-on-one in a personal training room just like this, where you're one-on-one with the trainer. So that relationship gets built, and like I said, you don't have to worry about everybody else interfering with your workout. Two is that your program is designed specifically to you. It's not cookie cutter, program that you kind of get online. It's whatever your goals are, or whatever you're trying to pursue. We've really taken the time to get to know you and been able to craft something that's going to help you get to that goal as fast as possible.
When I come here, the routines are completely different every time. There's never a repeat day. Every time I come, Garrett and Dalen do a complete different routine for me. Everything's changed, everything's different, everything's fresh.
We're with our clients 45 minutes, several days a week. So we develop a very strong relationship. And one of the biggest things is that we trust one another. So, we like to keep everybody safe here. And like Dalen said, we're very upbeat and we like to keep them motivated, and everyone enjoys it.